Okay, can you see me? My face is still so swollen. Okay, so, hey guys, it is like 6:30. I'm meeting up with my friends. Oh, that sun glare is so cute. Or is that just a dot on my screen? That is a dot on my lens. I wonder if I face this way, if it's better. Okay. Lighting is terrible. I'm chilling in my car. So, I am currently waiting for my friends. I'm literally sitting in a parking lot just waiting on them, and then we're going to have a girls' night and a sleepover. So I might as well vlog because why not? My face is still really swollen. Let me give you a little OOTD. I've got this t-shirt on that says Deadpool and some jeans. I don't even know if you can see this. And some jeans I ripped myself. And some sandals. Nothing fancy. I knotted my tee. Wow, that makes me look really fat. Not gonna do that. But yeah, makeup wise, I don't even know if you can see it, but this highlight, hella poppin'. I have a mixture of the Wet n Wild and the Milani highlight on, so I'm excited about that. I did some new makeup. Oh, what is it doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm not a very good vlogger, and I'm also in this like small confined space of my car. Let me face this way. So yeah, I'm just waiting, just straight chilling. I'll check back in with you guys when they get here. I'm too short for anything. But yeah, so I will see you guys in a second. Look how swollen my face is still. I have a stitch coming loose at the top here. I'm falling apart. Okay, I'll check back in with you guys in a second. So, we have this lighting, honestly, I can't.
Yeah, let me just pull up real quick.
Okay, I don't know how to like block the sun at all. Oh. Okay, right there. So, oh, nope, lied. Okay. So we've got Camille, that's not Camille, this is Natalie and Camille, and so I'm about to take them out on a mystery dinner date. I can't not sun, but you don't have to see me, so it's okay. So we're about to go out, and then I don't know, what do you guys want to do today? Thrifting?
We're gonna do a whole bunch of
walk around, run around stuff. Get catcalled, you know, that good stuff.
Yeah.
That good.
Go back to Mexico.
So, yeah, it'll be fun. Yeah. I'll make it fun. And then when we get home is the real fun. That's when it turns into
like
crazy.
It's a night.
It's a night.
Wait, it's a look.
It's a look, ay. It's a look, ay. It's a look, ay.
In case you were wondering, we are a girl group. It's called Light Skin and the Chocolate Chips, aka Light Skin and the Chocolate Chips. So
we might be getting a new band member today. I don't know.
We might have another chocolate chip joining us.
Yes.
It's
see how that goes.
It's a thing. It's a thing.
It's a thing.
We're also accepting applications for chocolate chips. I'm the only light skin, so
yes,
you
of
can't
course.
take
This
that.
is the only light skin.
But you know, if you're a
light skin, you can't apply.
No, but if you like the color of a brown
album,
paper
Thoughts and
bag or
Things.
darker, you can apply to be a chocolate
Buy
chip.
our album, Thoughts and Things.
Thoughts and Things.
Yes,
Coming
you
up
can
soon.
pre-order. It's coming out in what, 2020?
It's coming out in like 2020. Thoughts and Things 2020.
Light skin and the chocolate chips for president
2020.
yes
But yeah, so let me turn this AC on because it is hot as hell.
Yes.
And let me get out on this road.
I just
Alright, I'll see you guys later. Attractive. So we made it to the truck yard. Karis, again, we kind of just have her on a wild goose chase driving around.
I feel
and
bad, but it's our fault.
Right in front of us, there's like 6 guys just straight chilling.
Stranger danger.
And they're staring into my car.
yeah.
So,
All of them, all of
and
them.
they're like waving at us.
They're waving and pointing at each other.
So I would turn the camera. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to like
I could Snapchat it discreetly, and then we can insert it into
we'll
this
insert the
video.
Snapchat to this video. But yeah, so we're here at the truck yard.
Wait, ready? So we're gonna cheese. It's literally pointing right at them, and I don't know.
But yeah, so we're gonna go inside, and I will show you
I'm
the
waiting
truck
on
yard.
like all of them to like look over. Jacket though, but I'm taking a
What'd you get?
I got 3 chicken street tacos from that place. I don't have to say it.
It's hella busy today. Ew, don't do that. But yeah. Tacos.
Get the Thai leg.
Ooh. Ooh. Yes, mommy. First bite, tell me how is it?
Okay.
It's good? Is it A1?
Wow, it's hot.
It's Wally World. 10 o'clock at night.
Wally World. We go to Walmart.
I hate you. Hitting out Walmart at 11 o'clock at night. That's how you do it.
We coolin'. It's only 10.
I really just have my glasses on. It's only 10.
No. Because otherwise it's just bland.
Well, do you have... I mean, if I do get butter, this is my chance.
We're literally in the way of everybody today.
There's just regular butter, you know?
Well, you're not sorry.
I ain't got no dollars.
We broke.
Yeah. This
We
is
are.
all pretend. We like to put things in our basket and then realize.
We have to return them back from it.
Yeah.
Like,
Y'all playing games.
it's rent a grocery.
What is it, Camille?
Let's rent a grocery. You guys, and I'm gonna be very, very frank with you. You guys got some pretty eyebrows. Don't listen. Listen, I'm gonna say something to you. Don't be, you know, kicking it. Yeah, buddy boy, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
No, I'm not only good, I'm excellent.
Oh, baby.
Listen, here it is. You look good.
Thank
Don't
you.
be taking, you know.
I'm just gonna shave them off.
You know,
I'm just gonna shave them off.
Shave them off and dry them on every day. No, boo.
Natural don't mean doctoring. You got the doctor here, you got to make up here. I love Mike. He's my favorite idol. When he turned around and changed his disposition, and he cut his nose, he didn't have no more nose, he had 2 K's in his face. So come on now. You remind me so much of you two sisters.
That's the second time y'all have gotten it tonight.
Well, no, what's happening is y'all got the same features. All y'all some beautiful ladies. Y'all messing around here and y'all trying to do this and do that. The natural, baby. Natural is in.
It's natural.
You know, try.
Your hair? Yeah, okay. Okay.
You know what? All y'all have nice attitudes. You see people with a bad attitude, hey, you know, first thing you do, you say, hello, how you doing? Why are you speaking to me? You know, your foot need to be in your mouth. Put it in there, you know, that's taking it.
People are rude nowadays.
Yeah.
They really are,
You know, hey, listen, that's on them.
Hey.
They ain't got
Sunny
nothing-
disposition is all you need.
They don't have nothing to say or do but, you understand, be mean to somebody else. Why you want to share that? Share me some good tidings, some good times, good days or something. Y'all be blessed. I'm out of here.
You too. Have a
Thank
great
you. Life lessons with random guys in Walmart.
But if he only knew that these aren't my real eyebrows. This is eyeshadow. But most of them, they're mine. She's filled in.
He was like, all natural. And Brayden goes, yeah, all natural. And then touches her hair.
It's all mine. And it's all me.
Yeah, everybody natural except Brayden.
You know, I'm natural. None of us.
No, her
No.
natural.
Those are fake too.
They're not.
Guys,
Oh my god. It's SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob's pineapple. Where is he living now?
In your pussy. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wait, is this pasta?
That's what she gets for putting rips in her cheese at her butt.
Hi, Keith. This is pasta.
Uber, please.
There's no Ubers in Rockwall.
There's no Ubers in Walkwell. Why? I don't know Ubers.
Is it Lyft? Are people on Lyft? We ain't got nothing out here. We ain't cool like that. Did you want this? Did you want sweet? Did you want sweet? Sweet. Did you want a flavor for the top of the popcorn?
This is gonna die, so I'm gonna turn it off now.
The butter one?
Yeah.
If I can find the button. Wait, I'm gonna be professional.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, goodness, your foot is burnt.
Excuse me.
Whose is this? So,
Who's alcohol?
I have this cup at home.
stop. That's my tea.
Oh.
That's alcohol. That's my tea.
Bone apple tea?
I hate you.
Bone ashy
We're doing a French fry taste test. We have 3 places. We've got Steak and Shake. We've got 2 from Hack in the Box. And then we've got Mickey D's. Where do we want to start?
I say we go left or right.
So, Steak and Shake. So these are the Cajun Steak and Shake fries. There's like seasonings on them. I like them because they're really skinny. Pass them back.
I'm cheating.
You want some?
Yes.
Ooh.
Careful now.
Damn, trust me, I won't waste any.
Okay.
Okay.
Oof. We were sitting around, but it's so good. So,
Sorry.
they're my favorite. They got seasonings on them. My
This,
favorite ones are Popeye fries.
this seasoning reminds me of the
Yeah, Popeye
fuzzy
fries?
seasoning.
I have. Chick-fil-A fries are better. Chick-fil-A fries are the best
They're
fries
so
ever.
good. And the seasoning reminds me
Favorite fries with
of
Polynesian sauce?
yes.
That's some good stuff.
These are good.
The seasoning on here reminds me of the seasoning on the Fuzzies, like Fuzzies chips.
Mm-hmm.
Which fuzzies y'all go to?
There's one down the street from my school.
Are the fuzzies down the street from my house?
Yeah, last time I went there, they did not have no seasoning on them chips.
Really?
Yeah.
You've been going to the wrong
Yeah.
fuzzies.
It's really
That's
good.
how you need to try. Pass me them curly fries from Jack in the Box.
Okay. Just the curly fries, though.
I got curly and regular fries.
Yeah.
I'm bougie like that.
So the regular and the curly.
Curly are my favorite. Give them to me because they season.
Okay.
I like seasoned fries.
There's a
I
regular
like
one in
seasoned
there,
food.
but
Yeah.
not seasoned. I'm not.
How is this a curl?
It's a regular
Okay.
one.
Well, these are what these other ones just taste like those Ore-Ida fries you get from like Kroger's. Yeah.
Hey, don't knock a Wally World fry.
No.
Them potato wedges from Wally World.
Let me sleep on the
I haven't been there in a while. I need to go.
Walmart?
Mm.
We just had Walmart.
Never mind.
We're talking about the potato wedges from Walmart. In the deli section.
Yeah, I haven't been there in a while. In the deli
yeah.
section. I should have met Albertsons. The
I don't know.
potato.
These are good. I like Jack in the Box fries.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out if I like the regular or the curly ones better.
I like the curly ones better. 'Cause, you know,
Alright, let's
I
bust
can
out
relate. I can relate to the curly ones.
Let's bust out them Old Faithfuls, the Mickey D's. We only have 3 kinds because it was damn near midnight while we were out there, so everything else was closed because I live in Hockwall of.
Oh no. No, you live in Blackwall. Okay.
Gang, gang. Girl, I said give me the Mickey D fries. I don't want no steak and shit fries. Try them all.
Why they give us like? Oh no, it's not allowed napkins. Never mind.
You probably can't see me over now, this bro. High keys, I'm not short.
You probably can't see me because I'm dark. I'm dark skin. A little bit.
I love McDonald's fries.
game.
Like it's like
Somebody take them.
it's like they
I
give
think
me a
they're
book fry.
overhyped. I
think
don't like
they're
McDonald's
overhyped.
fries.
They're
I
only
like
good when
them
they're
fries.
hot.
Yeah.
They're too sweet.
I literally just missed my mouth like 30
I don't like McDonald's fries.
What's that mouth too?
They're okay. I don't. But I don't. They're just. These are my least favorite.
Okay.
I'm not a fan of
Okay.
McDonald's.
Who
anymore,
votes
though.
that Steak and Shake is the best fries?
Mm.
Who votes? Who votes straight Jack in the Box fries for that?
This one was the worst I've tried.
Mm-mm.
And yeah, I'm eating them.
The curly fries are the best for me.
Yeah.
It goes
The curly fries are the best.
Jack in the Box curly,
Then
steak and
these
shake,
fries.
straight Jack in the Box, then
Then,
McDonald's.
yeah, that's what I think.
What
I
you
was like
mean?
curly, then straight, then those. then Mickey D's.
But we all agree that Mickey D's is last, and that the curly
No.
Jack in the Box. Oh,
She thinks that the straight Jack in the Box are last.
Yeah, I'm still eating these because they know I love fries.
she don't count. She's canceled.
But I think we all agree that the curly are the best.
We all agree that the curly
Yes.
is best.
Yeah.
So we're gonna hop over to Jack and Box and buy some more.
Wait, late night munchie meal.
I don't trust Jack in the Box. They got too many different kinds of food.
Oh yeah, their late night
They
munchie
have-
meals
they
are kind of
have-
crazy.
They have egg rolls.
Yeah, like
Egg rolls. When did they get egg rolls?
I like fast food places that stick to one thing. Like Chick-fil-A sticks to chicken. You know, Cane's still sticks to chicken.
I think you just like places that stick to chicken because you black.
I do
not
love
gonna
Chick-fil-A
lie.
though. Chick-fil-A is just
I
My
love
salad are closed on Sundays, but I mean, if you work there, I guess it's nice.
Yeah. I mean, I appreciate that. Like, you know, for religious reasons. I'm glad, you know.
Yeah.
But
But I feel
still-
like Jesus might want to snack on some
Hey.
chicken legs.
I feel
Sunday.
like
well then Jesus.
I
can go
feel
to
like
Cane's.
if Chick-fil-A was open on Sunday, it would be a lot more packed than it would be
Yeah.
on regular week.
I feel like, you know, after good service, get you some chicken leg, get you some fries.
What? I'm gonna ask you to repeat that last
Some
sentence.
chicken fries.
Like, aren't those the things at Burger King? Aren't those called
Remember when-
chicken fries?
I said, remember when Burger King made those like Cheeto chicken fry things, something like that? Cheeto fried
I did
cheese.
not try them.
They're like macaroni,
it was macaroni and
cheese
cheese.
covered in like Cheetos.
I did not
They're like
try
little patties.
That's a no. That's canceled.
them.
That's a no.
We should do a video on what's canceled. There are a lot of things that are canceled.
Yeah. So we're gonna eat a lot of food, dance a lot, charge my camera.
Make up more songs for our album.
Yeah.
Hashtag thoughts and things.
Hashtag is a night. Hashtag is a look. Hashtag is a food.
So
Ooh, that should be on
There's
next.
so many hashtags.
because hashtag why not?
Okay.
Karis is an original light skin chocolate chip. She's a part-time chocolate chip, so she doesn't understand.
Where's the light skin?
The light skin right here. Light skin and the
the
chocolate
chocolate
chips.
Okay.
We're still working on her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, like in the Dream Girls, where they had the original Dream Girls, and then they kicked Jennifer Hudson out, and then they got that new one, the one girl with the
I'm
nails.
Jennifer
Dream
Hudson. I'm Jennifer
girl.
Hudson.
No.
Yes.
No, you're not Jennifer Hudson. You're the idol.
Happy.
I'm Jennifer Hudson.
Yeah, I'm
She's
Jennifer
the
Hudson.
No, I'm.
That would mean that we.
But I don't get kicked out. I'm
Oh.
Jennifer Hudson without getting. I'm
So then-
Beyonce. You don't kick Beyonce out of nothing.
See, if we kicked you out, then it would just be the chocolate chips.
I'm Beyonce and Destiny's Child.
I'm
That's what
Jennifer
I am.
Hudson.
You're Michelle.
Period. No, either I'm Jennifer Hudson or yeah, that's
That's it. That's it.
That's it.
I'm Camille.
That's a wrap for today.
That's ugly.
So Karis just left, but we're gonna head out and go get some donuts and then come back home and get ready for the day because, bruh, it's like noon. We didn't go to bed till what, damn near 5?
I guess y'all didn't. I was very like 6. So
Yeah.
I was on the phone talking to people.
So we're gonna get some donuts and then we're gonna make ourselves look like human beings. This is our sleeping area. My couch honestly is hella comfortable.
It really is.
Like, I just push all these ottomans together, make one big pallet. It's a night.
Yeah.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait, stop.
I'm done. You're canceled. What?
So we drove to the donut place. She doesn't have on shoes. I don't have on shoes. She doesn't have on shoes. We're in like not closed, but we made it before they closed. So this counts.
How many donuts do you think we're gonna eat?
Girl, I'm hungry,
Yeah,
but I
I'm
don't
hungry.
like.
Can I get a dozen glazed donuts?
Okay.
And then, do you have any blueberry donut holes left?
Yes.
And then,
Oh my gosh.
And then, can I get?
What, a dozen?
I'm like looking at the thingy.
They're $2.39 a dozen.
Oh yeah. And then, can I get a dozen of the blueberry and the little cinnamon ones? Those are good too.
Ooh,
In a
cinnamon.
minute, I only have a few and I'll just give it to you.
Oh, okay, thank you. Did you guys want any like orange juice or anything like that? Yeah. I'm asking them. Do you want any orange
I
juice?
just have a
I'm just gonna get some water
kolache.
from
I have kolaches at my house.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get water from now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Did you
okay.
want like milk or I have milk? But do you want like anything like that before I finish?
Oh no,
Is there anything else you want before I pay?
these look delectable.
What are the oh, cause they're like my favorite. Like the are they like the buttermilk things or the old fashioned?
A little fashioned.
Huh?
The old fashioned.
Do you have any old-fashioned donuts?
Well, glaze or chocolate?
Oh, I didn't even see the chocolate one. Let's do chocolate, please. Okay, I'm
You're not
good.
even looking in the donut.
I am. Oh, sorry. I was not paying attention to it.
Did you want anything else? Camille?
Yeah.
Are you good? I do want some orange.
Really cute.
Thank you. I mean, I tried. I woke up like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, no, we were. I looked down the street and we're like, no, they close in 4 minutes.
Yeah, we were like planning on walking, and then we woke up and we were like, that's not gonna work.
All right, you guys good?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, cool.
Thank you, Brayden. When Brayden buys your breakfast.
Yeah.
MVP.
Wi-Fi.
MVP. With no shoes on. Yes, girl.
Shoot on? There you go.
Honestly, there's just 3 of us. Why did we get so many donuts? We didn't pay for these, and we didn't pay for these. She gave them to us for free. But did you mess up the water thing? Did you just spill it all over the floor? It rotates.
What type of?